Life is messy. Cordless vacuums shouldn't be. Most hold only a small amount of dirt, so need constant emptying, which is dusty and difficult. Say hello to Henry Quick. His clever new pod system brings dust-free emptying, bigger capacity, and powerful cleaning. You'll be ready for whatever mess life throws at you. His interchangeable battery powers a digital motor and direct drive brush head for ultimate cleaning performance. This powerful suction lifts and traps dirt inside of the pod. Airflow compacts the dust, increasing capacity, so you clean more and empty less. With Henry Quick, there are no messy filters to clean. Henry's pod is the filter. So with every new pod, you're back to brand new performance. When he finally does need emptying, just swap in a fresh pod. It's quick, easy, and completely mess-free. Henry Quick. No dust, no mess, no fuss.